Students, we will discuss this theorem. The theorem: two finite dimensional vector space over the same field are isomorphic if and only if they are of same dimension. Suppose U and V are two finite dimensional vector space, each dimension n. To prove U isomorphic to V, let the set alpha 1, alpha 2, alpha n and beta 1, beta 2, beta n are the basis of U and V. Alpha belongs to U, can be uniquely expressible alpha equals to A1 alpha 1, A2 alpha 2 plus up to so on An alpha n. For all A1, A2, An belongs to F. F alpha and alpha belongs to U. F alpha equals to A1 beta 1, A2 beta 2 plus up to so on An beta n. For all F alpha belongs to V. 1 1, F is 1 1, F A1 alpha 1, A2 alpha 2, An alpha n, F B1 alpha 1, B2 alpha 2 plus Bn alpha n. By the dimension A1 beta 1, A2 beta 2, An beta n equals to B1 beta 1, B2 beta 2, Bn beta n. A1 minus B1 beta 1, A2 minus B2 beta 2 plus An minus Bn beta n equals to 0. A1 minus B1 equals to 0, A2 minus B2 equals to 0, An minus Bn equals to 0. Since beta 1, beta 2, beta n are linearly independent, A1 B1, A2 equals to B2, An equals to Bn, or A1 alpha 1, A2 alpha 2, An alpha n equals to B1 alpha 1, B2 alpha 2, Bn alpha n. That is the one property. On to alpha belongs to U and f alpha belongs to V. F is linear transformation. Third, F is linear transformation. Transformation. F A1 alpha 1, A2 alpha 2, An alpha n plus B, B1 alpha 1, B2 alpha 2, Bn alpha n equals to F A1 plus B1 alpha 1, A2 plus B2 alpha 2, An Bn alpha n, A1 plus B1 beta 1, A2 plus B2 beta 2 plus up to so on, plus An plus Bn beta n. A1 beta 1, A2 beta 2, An beta n plus B, B1 beta 1, B2 beta 2, Bn beta n और F A1 alpha 1, An alpha n plus Bf B1 alpha 1 B2 alpha 2 Bn alpha n. That is linear transformation. F A alpha plus B beta equals to A alpha plus B into F beta. Hence U isomorphic to V. Now if part, we will prove if part means conversely. Suppose U isomorphic to vector space V. To prove suppose U and V be two finitely be two isomorphic finite dimension vector space. Vector space. Prove that dimension U equals to dimension V. Let dimension U equals to n. Let S equals to alpha 1 alpha 2 alpha n. B basis of U. If F is isomorphism of U into V, on to V, we shall show S dash F alpha 1, F alpha 2, F alpha n. B is a basis of V. Then V is also dimension n. Even we first proof is first shall show S dash is linear independent. A1 F alpha 1, A2 F alpha 2 plus An F alpha n equals to 0, or A1 alpha 1, A2 alpha 2 plus An alpha n 0 dash, or A1 alpha 1, A2 alpha 2, An alpha n equals to 0, A1 A2 An equals to 0, since alpha 1 alpha 2 alpha n are linearly independent. V equals to linear span S1 and S dash. S dash is basis of V. S dash contain n vectors. Therefore, dimension V equals to n. Hence, we can say dimension U equals to dimension V, then U isomorphic to V. That is the term of isomorphism. That's